goes out to all the mothers out there in the world, all the mother figures, all the mothers that take care of theirs, you know what I'm saying? Shouts out to you. It's your song.
If you ain't talk to me then, come talk to me now. I'm sitting high, laying on the cloud, trying to trace a dream, trying to trace a meal. I owe my mama on everything. I love you, ma, I'm so for real. You bust your butt, try to pay the bills. My love for you would never spill. You gave me life, that's a happy meal. I'm a mama's boy, gotta make you proud. So I'm on my grind, trying to get you a house. You raised me alone in months in the struggle. 9 months above your belt buckle. Dang, ma, you really are a queen. You came to America and set a dream. Stacked your bread, brought the team. I'm proud of you. Are you proud of me? Now I'm grown, ain't that a glitch? Time went fast like really quick. Back in the days I was bad as tricks. Running through the streets, it didn't make sense. You my mom, so you had to worry. That's all the love you cared for me. You seen people kids get shot. You seen people kids get got. I remember the first time I seen you cry. That really hit the spot. Felt like I really got shot with bullets and big rocks. I appreciate everything I got, cause one mom's all I got. You live for me and I'm living for you. Won't you sit back and watch? Cause mama, I loves you. Mama, mama, I loves you. Mama, I loves you. Mama, mama, I loves you. Only God comes before you. But mama, I loves you. But mama, I loves you. But mama, I loves you. My mama, I adores her. I really, really loves her. She puts up